And okay, hello, welcome back again with me Puni, and today I'm gonna show you a song from Coldplay with In My Place. And in this tutorial I use G major as the roots. If you want to play this song originally, you can use your capo at the second fret on your guitar. Okay, let's get started. Okay, at the very first I want to tell you a pattern of the strumming. It's just simple like this. Okay, the pattern is just like that, just down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, and then you repeat, and repeat again. Okay, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, it's so simple, and we have to jump to the song.